So good morning to everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter 1, that is locus, the mass 1b, right? So what is mean by locus? So first I would like to write the definition of locus. So see here. So what is mean by locus? I write the definition. Locus is a set of points that satisfy given consistent geometric conditions. So what are the geometric conditions? Right? First one. So every point satisfying the given condition. The given condition is a point on the locus. Next. Second one. What is it? Every point on the locus satisfies geometric conditions. So that means what? See, so whatever the point is there in the locus, that is always moving point, right? Now it's satisfying the given consistent geometric condition. So that means what? If every point is satisfying the given condition, right, it is lies on the locus. If it is lies on the locus, right, that's satisfying the geometric condition. So that is nothing but a locus, right? Simply should remember that the locus means the set of points, right? So that set of points is satisfying geometric conditions, right? Now, so for example, should take that. In the plane, the locus of a point, whose distance, observe this one, whose distance from a given point A is a circle. So that is AP is equals to 4. So that means what? So whatever the sentence is there here, the plane, right, in the plane, the locus of a point whose distance from a given point. Now let us suppose So that means what here? In the plane, the locus of a point whose distance from a given point. So what is the given point? So let us suppose this is A, and this is a moving point along the curve. This is a one closed curve. So that means what? Here I write like this. So that is this. This is the point. P is there. Now from here to here, everywhere, the point is on the locus. Now here there is a set of points. This is whatever the path is that is traced by the point P, right? So that is AP. So here how much distance this is? So that is equals to 4 units is there. So therefore AP is equals to 4. So that means what? If any point on the curve, right? So if you are seeing that the distance should be same. So that means what? That AP is equals to 4. That whatever the point is there, that is lies on the locus, and it is satisfying the geometric condition. If it is satisfying the geometric condition, right, it is lies on the locus. So that is nothing but a locus, right? Now, so here one more point is there. So that is the equation of locus of a point P. That okay. Now, so that you should write it now. Started it. The equation of locus of a point. So this is completely algebraic equation. That means what? So whatever the equation of a locus of a point is always, it is a algebraic equation. Algebraic equation means what? X and Y variable should be there in that by using the binary operations. So that means what? Let us suppose x square plus xy, right, minus 2x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So this is nothing but a one equation. This type, the equation of a locus of a point, you should get that, right, by using the some given conditions. Okay. Now, so simply should remember the equation of a locus of a point P is a algebraic equation, right? Now, so that is what C. Now I write the definition about the equation of this one. Simply should remember that the equation of a locus of a point is a algebraic equation, and it is always in terms of x and y as a variables, right? Now that x and the point, whatever the point P is there, P is a locus of a point, right? So that P is satisfying that equation. So that I write here equation of the locus of point is an algebraic equation. Is an algebraic equation in x and y, satisfied by the point px comma y on the locus alone. Okay, so this is about the definition of locus, and also it is a equation of a locus of a point. So only thing 2 points is there. So that is, should remember that locus means set of points, and it is satisfying the geometric condition. If it is satisfying the geometric condition, the point is lies on the locus, right? Now, so what is the equation of locus of a point, right? Now, so that is nothing but a algebraic equation in terms of x and y. Now, based on this, so we can do some important questions, right? So that is from examples from the Telugu Academy, right? So write the question important, right? So further, what is the equation of locus of the point P? First, should write down the question now. So that is equals, write the question. Find the equation of point the equation of locus of point P right now. If the distance of P from A 3,0 is twice the distance of P from B minus 3,0. So this is the question. So that means what? Find the equation of locus of point P if the distance of P from A 3,0 is twice the distance of P from B. So for this one, we have to write the geometric condition. So how to write the geometric condition? This is the important one. So there is a 3 steps is there. First is given data, then you should write down the point, let the point P is lies on the locus, and then the third point is that is the important one. So very important, that is, so write the geometric, how to write the geometric condition is the very important. Now for that I write it now. So given A is equals 3,0 and B is equals minus 3,0 now. So for every problem like this, you should only 3 steps. One is the given data, other is the whatever the point is there lies on the locus, and third geometric condition. So that's it. After that, you should substitute in that by using the distance formula and simplify. You should get the required equation of the locus of point P right now. So let P x comma y be the point on the locus. These 2 steps we have to write for every problem. Now you should write down the geometric condition. So what is the geometric condition? Like this you should write geometric condition. Now how to write this one? So by using the given data, see there is some distance is there. The distance, if the distance of P, let us suppose this is P of P from A, this is A, that is PA, right? Is twice the distance of B. Is twice the distance of B means what? So let us suppose another like this, another point B. So that is PB. Like so, the distance of P from A, the distance of from B. So that is here. Write it once again. You should read the sentence. The distance of P from A, that is PA, is equals to what is that? Twice the distance of P from B. So this is our geometric condition. Okay. Now you should write it. So that is geometric condition. PA is equals to to PB. Right? Now, here, by using the distance formula, we should apply. So, what is the distance between the 2 points? So, let us suppose I am writing here A is equal to x1, y1, right? And B is equals to x2, y2 is that. Now, what is the distance between the 2 points? So, AB is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, so if you want to write the AB square, so what we write? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You should remove the square root. Why? Because square root cancel. No, AB square squaring on both sides. If you do that, so AB square is equal to this one. So basis on this one, you should write the equation of a locus of a point P. Now here I write that is squaring on both sides. So that is equals to what? PA, that is whole square, is equals to PB whole square. So which is equals PA whole square, 2 square, that is 4, again PB whole square. Right now, so now apply the distance formula. Right now, distance between the 2 points. So this is always, you should take it as a x1 y x comma y. So take it as a always x2 y2. So substitute in this one. So now distance between the B and A. Substitute here. What is that? So x2 minus x1. So that is right here x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is equals to 4 into PB. Now this, so x minus of minus 3. So already in the formula minus is there now. So that minus and this, that is plus 3 whole square. Okay, plus y minus 0 whole square. Now simplify. You should expand a minus b whole square. So what is the a minus b whole square? Should write it a square plus b square minus 2ab, and also a plus b whole square formula also is there now. So that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now should write that one. Just a minute. These are the two formulas to expand the a plus b and a minus b. So now this one, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So that is equals to what? A square plus b square means what? 3 square, that is 9, minus 2ab, 2 into x into 3. So that is equals to 6x plus y minus 0, that is y whole square. Don't expand with the a minus b whole square. That means what? Y square plus 0 square minus 2 into y into 0. Don't write like that. Just simply y minus 0, that is y square is there. So simply should write it y square, right, is equals to 4 into, again you should write it here. What is that? X square plus 9 plus 6x, a plus b whole square, right? Now, so plus y square. Okay, now you should multiply with 4. Before 4 is there, no? So that's again you should write it x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square is equals to 4x square plus 36, right, plus 24, 6 4 the plus 4y square. Now see, here to simplify from left to right or right to left, whatever the expression is there, you should change that. But one condition is what? In every equation, the first term has a positive, the sign of first term when you are writing the equation. So that's why based on that, so first you should write down the x square, y square, x, y like that. You should write it, right? So if you are take from the right to left, you should get the minus 4x square. If that changes into the left, right? So minus 4x square. So that means what? X square minus 4x square means what? So that is equals to minus 3x square. So again you should, after changing that, after simplifying, again you should multiply with the negative. So to avoid that, so simply left whatever the left expression is, that take into the right side and then you should simplify. Right now, so how is it? See, so that is 4x square plus 36 plus 24x plus 4y square minus x square minus 9 plus 6x minus y square. So that means what? From left to right or right to left, if you are taking one expression with a binary operation, that sign should be changed. Either left to right or right to left. If it is plus is there, minus, minus 2 is plus. So whatever the right side term, what right side expression is there, I wrote as it is. From left to right, I change that. Right? So this is a plus, plus is there, that is minus, minus, and minus is there plus, and minus plus is there minus. Now simplify this. So what is that? 3x square, that is 4x square minus x. Now 4y square minus y square. So that is plus 3y square. Next plus 24. Oh, sorry, here x is there now. So that is 24. Similar terms, you should add that. Right, 24 plus 6, that is equal to 30x. Next, again, there is no y terms, right? Simply constants. 36 minus 9. So that is equal to what? 27 is equal to 0. Is there any more? Right. Now simplify. So if any common, that means what? After simplification, if any simplest form, if it is there, you should write it. Otherwise, you should write it as it is. So that is nothing but a equation of a locus of point P for the given problem. So I take the common, 3x square plus y square plus 10x plus, so what is that? 9 is equal to 0. Now, so x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is, it is the locus of, it is the equation of, it is the equation of locus of point P. So this is our required equation of locus of point. So once again, see that first you should take the data. After that, write the geometric condition and squaring on both sides and apply the distance formula, right? And then expand the a plus b, a minus b, if n is there, the geometric condition, right? After you should simplify. So the required equation of locus of point P is what? X square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. So that is our required equation, right? So this is the one important problem. And next, one more, I discussed the example, right? So that is equals to one more, you should write it. Write the another one. Find the locus of and the locus of the third vertex of the right angle triangle, right angle triangle, ends of whose hypotenuse are 4, 0 and 0, 4. So this is our question. Now same, you should write down the data. So what is that? So whatever the point is there, right? So let A is equals 4, 0 and B is equal 0, 4. And he was given, see that in the question, the locus of the third vertex of the right angle triangle. Third vertex. So that is nothing but our point. What is that? Let P x, y be the point on the locus. So this is nothing but a third vertex. The point on the locus. Now I should draw the triangle, right? Let's see. You want to write the right angle triangle, no? No. And just so this is our required right angle triangle. Now, so you were given what is the third vertex is at a right angle, right? Now, so this is nothing but a right angle, no? Now, so these are the A, B, and P. This is third vertex. Okay. Now, so what is the geometric condition? See, the third vertex of the right angle triangle, the ends of the hypotenuse. The ends of the hypotenuse. So this is the AB is the hypotenuse, no? A and B are the ends, right? End points of the hypotenuse, right? Now see, for this type of problem, there's the 4 problems are there from the exercise and whatever the examples is there in the locus, right? In the question, the word right angle, subtended right angle, ends of the hypotenuse, this type of words, if it is there, to write the geometric condition, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? Right, sum of the squares of the two sides is equals to the hypotenuse square. Is it correct? So that you should write it here. So simply you should write it the geometric condition. Right now, geometric condition. So what is that? Simply this type of words, if it is there, simply you should write it Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Here, PA square plus PB square is equals to AB square. I write it like this, right? PA, PB or AP, BP, anyway, you should write it. AP square plus BP square or PA square plus PB square, any one of them. Right? I write it PA square plus PB square is equals to what is that? AB square. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, right? Now, so now by applying the distance formula, already I wrote in that now. So distance formula, I write it directly here. As a sense, I write here distance between 2 points x1, y1. This is the important one. Based on this only, we should expand that. AB is equals root over what is that? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB square is equals to what is that? So that is, sorry, AB square now. So we should write it this one now. So that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we should apply this one in this. So what is that? How to write PA? PA means what? This two, and PB is this one. So that is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus PB. So what is that? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, which is equals to AB square. AB square means what? Distance between these two. So that is 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. Now the next step should write. So we should expand this one. A minus B whole square. So what is the A minus B whole square? So that is A square plus B square minus 2A. Okay, now should write it this. Okay, now. So that is x square, A square plus B square. That is 16 minus 8x. No, 2A minus 2A. Plus y minus 0, y, that is y square plus, here also x minus 0, that is x whole square is there. Now y square plus 16 minus 8y is equals to 4 minus 0, that is 16 plus 16. This is also 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square means what? 16. So don't confuse. This is minus 4 is equals to 4 and 0 minus 4 is equals to minus 4 right now. So this is 16, 16 cancel, and here 16, 16 cancel. Now rest of the terms is what? X square, should write in order. X square, right? Here x square. So there is 2x square. Y square, y square. Plus 2y square. Now minus 8x and minus 8y is equal to 0. There is no constant term. So take the common 2 to write the simplest form. There is 4x minus 4y is equals to 0. So therefore, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equal to 0. So it is the equation of locus of point. So these are the two important questions. We will see in the next class again from this chapter only. So we will discuss some more 2 or 3 examples. After that, we will start the exercise. Right? Thank you to everyone.